Today is the day you get a superpower. If you could choose between invisibility, flying, or time travel, which would you pick? Flying is the least powerful of the three. Invisibility is the second least powerful. Time travel is the most powerful. This is because flying only gives you a speed and altitude advantage over other human beings. Invisibility gives you a strategic advantage. You can be places, hear things, and see things that no one is aware you know. With invisibility, you might have an advantage over others, but you do not have any advantages over the universe. You could be invisible and still get hit by a bus. This is the ultimate power of time travel. You will not only know things that other human beings do not know yet, but you will also know what will happen in the universe. I'm going to give you the power of time travel today. Your Continuum time machine is located at futureview.app/time-machine. You are going to be able to see into your future or anyone else's future. You will also be able to see into your past or anyone else's past. This empowers you when you're dating someone new. You can see into their past. This empowers you when you buy a stock. You can see into the future of the company. This empowers you when you meet someone new. You can pre-know how your relationship will turn out in the future. But time travel is not like you might imagine. Your body doesn't go backward or forward in time with you. Your body only goes forward in time. But you can still get back to the same place in your past. You can still get back to the same place where you missed an opportunity with your soulmate or stock you fumbled. You can get back to the same place by going forward because time is a closed loop track. Time works like the Nürburgring racetrack in Germany. If you want another chance at that hairpin turn you messed up on, you don't do it by going in reverse. You do it by going forward until you come back to that same place again. Time is like everything else in the universe. It's a closed loop track. If you go forward in any direction on Earth long enough, you'll end up right back where you started. The peaks represent when you will be unstoppable and powerful. The valleys represent when you will be weak and opposed by the forces of the universe. The valleys give you an opportunity to delegate. The peaks tell you when to become more active and aggressive. You know those months or even years when nothing seems to work out right or when everything goes your way. The time machine tells you exactly when this will happen. If you had ever stopped to take notes on the dates where you seem to have good luck and bad luck, you would have already noticed that there is a fixed elapsed time pattern. This is what the time machine reveals to you. In the old days, when there were no smartphones or TVs, the only thing to do after a long day's work was to lie back on the grass and stare up at the starry sky. Night after night of staring at the starlit sky would eventually make you realize that there are patterns between star positions and your life experience. While staring up at the sky, you would have noticed that whenever you have a bad day, later that night, Mars aligns with a certain star in Orion's belt. Whenever you have a great day, Venus aligns with the head of Leo. Eventually, you would know that you're going to have a great day tomorrow because tomorrow night, Venus once again comes into alignment with the head of Leo. And this is different for everyone because everyone was born in a different place at a different time. And this is not astrology. This is a time machine based on actual real-time star positions as decoded by the I-Ching and 5 elements. Currently, the time machine only shows you when you will get harmonic results versus dissonant results over time. It doesn't show you what causes these peaks and valleys. Version 2 will add the extra layer of data. Continuum holders will have full access to full functionality. The contract address for Continuum ends in 77 on Ethereum chain.